respond on 45 Ops 1, Battalion 1, Rescue 1, Ladder 1, Ladder 2, Medic 2, Engine 3, Medic 4, 443 Granville Street, crossing to King Avenue and Hall Street. I reported residential structure fire.
Battalion 1 Fire Control.
Fire Control to Battalion 1.
I'm on the scene. I've got a 25 by 35 garage fully involved. Make this a working fire. Battalion 1's going to have Granville Street Command.
Battalion 1 on the scene. Reporting a working fire.
Shows on 45 Ops 1, Granville Rescue 201, East Engine 52, mutual aid to Newark, 443 Granville Street. Working residential fire. Cross streets are King Avenue and Hall Street.
Rescue 4 yard lay to the back here.
Mutual aid to Newark, 443 Granville Street, on a working residential structure fire.
Car 1 on the scene. Ladder 1 on the scene. Sorry again, recorded. Commando units, 25 by 35 garage, fully involved. I've got another garage that's going to be an exposure. Commando Fire Control, I need an I-20 and the power company. Battalion 1 requesting I-20 and AEP to the scene. Ladder 1, I want you to pull the yard lay off of the Rescue 1. Tower 1 copies. Pull the yard lay. Fire Control, Engine 3 is on scene. Engine 3, I want you to lay a supply line from the hydrant at King Avenue into Rescue 1. Copy, supply line from the hydrant, King Avenue to Rescue 1. Battalion 1 Fire Control, need the police here for traffic control. Battalion 1 requesting NPD for traffic control.
Respond on Ops 1. Second dispatch, engine 52, showing en route, mutual to Newark, 443 Granville Street.
Rescue 1, charge the yard lay. Repeat your 1, Chief. Repeat the traffic, Chief. Charge the yard lay. Ladder 2, I need you to bring your case all forward and cut the garage door. Case out of the garage door.
Thanks to the command, we're on scene.
Rescue 1, tank to the quarter tank. Brother 2, you'll be the EMS sector.
Thanks to copy this CMS sector.
Rescue 1, charge your yard lay. Get charged. Engine 3, Battalion 1, your high discharge. That's clear engine 3. Grab a case saw and bring up the driveway. Newark 3 to command jet interest. Newark 3, get your gear rolling and come up the driveway. You're clear.
Agent 52, command will be on the scene. What do you need?
Engine 52 can be in service. Just get ready to put a contained on us. I apologize.
You're clear. We're in service.
Granville Street Command at Fire Department. Just wish contained here. Tie up all of the on-scene units.
Battalion 1 reporting situation contained on Granville Street. You have smoke in a house. It's being dispatched to Jefferson Street.
All right, Mary 2 responds to the smoke in the house. 33 Jefferson Street. They're going to put an assignment on that.
Make 2 copies. Make 2 fire control, 2 copy. Command's traffic. Medic 2 responding 33 Jefferson Street. We're going to put it on Ops 2.